Hello, this is Clifford Enoch, founder of ADZ.ph, and you are visiting my cliffordx.com website, my personal website. And they call me the real estate taxider, the one who's kada nagsiging ana-ana sa kamot ba. Alright, so I'm a real estate practitioner, selling properties, but particularly we are selling properties diri sa Cebu City and all over the town of Consolacion, Milanilla, Compostela, Danao, and Liliwan. Okay, so interesado mo og project nga lot only, please sign up this form and I will send you new updates, new projects nga ikaw ra makabaw makauna, and hopefully nga you can meet me and we can share. And alright, na akong Facebook page, click like, add me as friend, send me a message, and let's be friends, okay? So thank you for visiting CliffordX.